Successful departments thrive when they have access to accurate information, proper planning tools, effective communication channels, and the resource needed to support teaching and learning. In here, we're going to talk of the reports and planning, tools and utilities, and the school store. First, we're going to start with the department report. Inside of the department report, we are going to receive a comprehensive reporting and analysis for each department. We have a total report. We have the statistics card here that shows how each and every progress is made. We have some of the quick actions inside of the system. We have the recent reports that are going to pop up here. We have the reports templates that are in here. You can generate one. And we have the department performance trends. And here we can generate a report as a PDF, or you can print the report, and you can also filter by the current year, the current term, or the current month. It all depends on what you want to filter. Next, we have the budget planning. You can organize departmental finance requirements, allocate resources efficiently, and plan expenditures to support academics and operational activities while maintaining accountability. So inside of here, you're going to see the different statistics cards here. You're going to see the budget versus the actual spend. You're going to see the budget distribution. You're going to see the budget categories. We have your recent expenses, and we have these quick actions that are going to permit you to click and go to a specific section on your left hand side. You can toggle this on to show only over budget items, and you can export the budget items. You can add a budget request, a new budget request. To do that, just click on the add budget request, add a new budget request. You can also use AI to assist you on the budget planning. And we have this drop down where you can filter by current year, next term, and the current term. Next, we have the strategic planning feature that enables you to define departmental goals, track initiatives, monitor progress, and align your department activities with the institution border vision and objectives. We have some of the statistics cards here. We have the strategies, we have the departmental goals, and inside of departmental goals you can view the departmental goals, or you can edit these. We have the activity initiatives and actions, and we have these quick actions here. You can also update your analysis, and as well, to add a goal, click on add a goal button, insert fill out this form, and you click on save your goal, and your goal is going to be created. And once your goal is created, you're going to see it on this sheet here. You can filter by the different categories, or you can filter by the statuses, and you also have this where you can select for the current year or the term that you wish to check. Next, we have the communication. Through the communication feature, you can share announcements, you can share updates, instructions, and important information with staff and stakeholders, ensuring everyone remains informed and aligned. And you can see here where you can choose, like say, let's say you want to chat with a specific staff member or a specific student. Just click on the student, you compose a message, and you send to that particular student. And also in here, you can create groups of your choice. To create a group, click on the group, click on create a group, and you add the name of the group. Let's say this, you give a short description, and you add members into your group, and you click on create group, and your group will be created. And we can see some of the statistics cards that shows how each and every progress is made inside of your system. Next, we have the browse item. Using browse items, you can explore available products and resources within the school store and identify items relevant to your department's needs. So in here, let's say you want something like laptops and chargers to be in your department. So you just need to come to your school store, and you click on add to cart, and you click on check in, and you fill out this form, and you place your order, and your order will be placed successfully. Let me say I want to do by cash collection. I select my delivery method, and I add some other notes, and I place my order. So my order has been placed. And if I go to the my order, you're going to see the recent order that you've placed here, and you can either cancel the order, or you can just let's say I don't need the order, or I mistakenly place an order. I just need to cancel the order, and my order will be cancelled. Let me go back to the browse items, and inside of this school store, you can see the different items or the different categories of items that are available in your system. You can either select mathematics. You're going to see the different mathematic items that are available, and that is how the report planning, the tools and utilities, and the school store tools function together These tools help heads of department improve planning, strengthen communication, manage resources effectively, and support academic excellence. Not forgetting these two AI features where you can place a call with the AI and you ask for specific questions concerning the different features inside of your system, or you can just quickly click on the chat widget and you chat for concerning and you ask a question concerning any of these features, or you can just quickly write and you send to her and she's going to respond instantly. With AfrikSabify reports planning, communication, and school store features, head of department can make better decisions, manage resources effectively, and support both staff and students with greater efficiency. By bringing planning, reporting, communication, and resource management together in one platform, AfrikSabify helps department operate smarter, stay organized, and achieve better educational outcomes. Don't hesitate to start your free 30 days trial now platform and see how it's going to help you